Dow Jones and Nasdaq showed a good swing yesterday. First thing which I told you, and I warned you specifically for that it may trade volatile, it may show you good swings, and more importantly, see, I asked you to remain long once Nasdaq 100 trades about 12,760 and then 12,840. We may see 12,900, 950, 13,000 levels. It fallen shy of 13,000, reversed from 12,950. At the same time, US 32, I asked you beyond 32,600, it is looking forward to 32,700 and 800. 800 as a good resistance, precisely reversed closely from 32,770. I hope you all profited. At the same time, on the sell side, also both the trades have done wonderfully well. Now, what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Remember, this is the second update for the day. First update for the day is the second update for the day will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now see, if you look at the complete movement of Nasdaq 100, look at the three lows here, look at the three highs here, and look at the median here. Yes, it is still very much intact within this bullish channel. It has achieved the bottom of the channel, and hence, yes, if you see, I have told you yesterday also till 12,560, till 12,560, 550 levels, you should not consider this as bearish, below which you can expect 400. Once again, I am making the same claim. If you see it trading below 12,550, then only you should sell Nasdaq 100. Below that, it is going to break for 12,450, 12,400. It has precisely respected the levels yesterday once again. And if you look at the hourly chart, see it is consistently traded bullish. It is trading in this bullish channel. And if you see it trading below, in fact 12,600 also you can sell, but then do not consider this as bearish till 12,550. On the upside, remember this fact, 12,660 levels, which are my previous resistances, is now going to play an important role. Beyond that, 12,720, 12,700 and then 12,760. So 12,700, 12,760 is something we should watch out for, and if it breaks past this, it is going to be considered bullish. Stochastic back to overbought levels with just slight retracement. The MACD trying to converge crossover. RSI also trying to look upwards, show a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts too, likewise you can find out long-term channel. It is still very much in this bullish zone. So 12,550 levels is the only level below which you can short or sell on the 2-hour chart. This is a retracement right now. Here it is showing a reversal. Once it breaks past here at 12,660, you can buy again for 12,700, 12,760, and then beyond that, sky is the limit. Stochastic oversold trying to recover here. The MACD bearish trying to converge a bit. RSI almost flat and near to the bottom. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see higher lows, first green candle. I will wait for the next green candle. We might see 12,700 and plus levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD is still bearish. Remember, it is still trading with divergence. It is still looking down. And if you look at the RSI, this is still at bottom. Now look at the 4-hour. Similar observation, nothing indifferent. Stochastic oversold. MACD is still divergent and bearish. This is something you should note. And this is happening at a slightly higher levels. It can stretch it for a while. RSI has dropped and it is now trading comfortable in the middle of the zone. And if you look at daily charts, now look at daily charts. See yesterday's lows, 12,550, 12,560. Once again, very good support, and this is what is going to play an important role today. And hence a sell entry below 12,550 should certainly take it for another round of drop, taking it for 500, 450 and 400 levels. Every 50 points we might see a little support. But at the same time, if you look at, see the yesterday's move, higher highs, yes, Bollinger Bands it tried to breach, which are now expanded, and it has got a pullback, but at the same time it failed to break on the downside, which still is indicative that there is still bullishness. We might see it trading highs by the end of the day, and probably it can try to rise till towards 12,760, 800 levels. Also remember one more fact which I had told you, that it was bullish, then this flag, and then this breakout, and hence it can continue to remain bullish till the time it stays about 12,200. Stochastic is looking down, the MACD is in green trying to diverge more, and this crossover is happening at a lower levels. It can stress the rally for a little while. I have shown this several times now. RSI trading near to the highs, and considering only sell entry today on Nasdaq 100 is below 12,550 levels, and a buy entry about 12,660 for this 110 points. You have to just watch and watch, because see, risking more is something which you should avoid, and better to be safe than sorry, and hence stay long about 12,660. Then 12,700 is the target, 760 is the next target, and if it stays above 700, by the end of the day you will see it trading at 760 and 800 levels. Till the time it trades about 12,550, one can stay long. That is what also we can conclude. Below 12,550 till 12,400, every 50 points there is the trailing stop loss, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. Now look at US 30 on the hourly chart. See the base here at 31,500 and now at 32,000. And we have also seen it creating higher bases. This time it failed to achieve the highs of this channel. Yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. 32,000 is certainly a very good support for now. And if you look at it, has retraced since then. Now for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 32,100, then expect 32,050, 32,000, and only below 32,000 it may trade further bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is also at bottom, is trying to recover. And if you look at the 2-hour charts here, on the 2-hour chart, see, after this sharp drop of the single candle with the Fed, it is trying to look up, or this is just a retracement. See, once it breaks past 32,200 and 250, see, till 32,300, be watchful. Beyond that, again, it is going to fly high. So 32,300 on the upside is something you should look out for. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is in red, trying to converge here. RSI also trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, we have to wait for it to break past 32,000 levels. Yes, it can stretch the top for a while, but then 33,100, 32,100 you can sell. However, 32,050, 32,000 levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it trades below 32,000, it is to be considered bearish. Else what it is trying to do, it is trying to create a box. This is a bullish channel here, it may try to recover again there. Possibility exists for that. The stochastic is oversold, and hence a little recovery cannot be denied later. The MACD, however, is divergent and bearish, but the candle size has flattened, and the RSI is also trying to trade flat, which indicates that the bearishness is also not very much there now. Look at the 4-hour charts. At the same time, if you see it trading about 32,200, buy for 32, 250 and 300, and only if it stays above 32,300, we are going to look at another round of rise, which might take it further for 400, 500, 600, and every 100 points till 600. Beyond that, 32,800, 33,000. If not today, possibly in some time, we may see those levels. Now see, yesterday I told you one thing. If you observed, I told you that it is trading. If you look at, see the highs here, and I told you one thing, that it may try to achieve the highs of this channel, which is at 31, 32,800, 33,000 levels. It went close to the top of this channel, in fact achieved the highs and reversed from there. That is the beauty, and this I told you several times yesterday, day before yesterday, and it is just fallen shy of these levels. Now look, the stochastic is back to oversold. The MACD on the 4-hour charts is trading with divergence, trading bearish, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. Be watchful there. RSI is also dropped significantly. And if you look at the daily charts, now see, on the daily charts, 3 green candles, then higher lows and higher highs. That is what we can see. It is trying to recover. Hence, till 32,000, anyways, there should not be a chance of bearishness. But below 32,000, it is going to break heavily. Stochastic is dropped. It is looking down. MACD on the daily charts is divergent, is bullish. It is looking up, and this crossover is also important because this is the second crossover in this path. RSI also trading comfortable. Considering this, for the day, I will recommend you to buy at 32,200 levels. On the upside, 32, 260 and 300, these levels you should watch out for. Beyond 300, it is going to trade extremely bullish, and we are going to see it flying high. On the downside, you can sell here at 32,100, but then be careful, extremely careful, till 32,000 levels. Only and only if it breaks below 32,000, it is to be considered for a sell entry today, and it is to be considered bearish, else we may see it trading bullish till the time it stays above 32,000. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.